go, Eric. Your arm should be as good as new. Mechanicals, what are you doing? Oh, I see. You're looking for pirate treasure. Yaha, me hearty! What was that noise? Eric's found something. Maybe it's buried treasure. I wonder what these are. Oh, yellow. It might not be gold, but that doesn't mean it isn't treasure. Oh! Ta-da! It's an old railway handcar. But, something is missing. Ah! Wow! Eric's found the old railway. Try it now, mechanicals! See? Just because something isn't silver and gold doesn't mean it's not treasure. Go, mechanicals! It's time to repaint the sign, mechanicals. Blue, can you please get the green paint and take yellow up on the roof to help? Oh dear, Fiona's had a bump to her bumper. Come inside and let's fix it. Green, we'll need the extra strong glue, please. Glue isn't meant to be green. Blue and yellow must have the glue. Quick, red, get up to the roof. Oh, poor Red. We'll have to get up on the roof another way. Oh dear, what a sticky situation. Let's get you free before the glue sets completely. Fiona, can we borrow your hose, please? Don't worry, mechanicals. We'll soon have you free. Great job, everyone. Fiona and I both look brand new.
Ah!
Whoa! A pothole! I'll get Dylan the dump truck and Eric the excavator to fill it in. Oh dear! Bobby the bus looks like he's in trouble. Nuts and bolts! He's had a crash! Let's pull him out, Tilly. Oh, don't worry, Bobby. We'll get you fixed up and back on the road. Garage doors, open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Now to find out what's wrong, Bobby. First, we'll check your eyes. Go, mechanicals! So there's nothing wrong with your eyes then. Let's check your wheels. problems with your wheels either. Aha! I found the problem. You've got a bent axle. No worries. We'll soon straighten your axle. No more zigzagging for you. Your axle is as good as new. I'm glad we could set Bobby straight. It feels so good to help a friend. Wow! Great job, Mechanicals! A clean garage is a happy garage. That's odd. We're losing power. Something must be wrong with our solar panels. Oh dear, the sunlight's being blocked. But that's no normal cloud. Let's go and investigate.
Try now, Dylan. I don't understand. Your engine should be working fine. I followed the instructions.
Morning, Mr. Weasel. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine, Gecko. I give up.
Let me take a look, Dylan. The bad news is we'll have to take out your engine, Dylan. But the good news is I've got a brand new one that will be much better for you and for everyone else. Perfect. We're going to need the sun's help. And so is Dylan. This battery will charge with power from the solar panels, whilst we fit Dylan's new electric engine. Looking good, Dylan. Good job, Green. Clean customers are happy customers. And a cleaner planet is a happier planet too. Now, Max!
Oh, what's all this noise about?
Great landing, Max. Those new suspension springs helped you land really softly. Guess we won't need my backup plan. Eh, Red? I just need to make a few last tweaks.
Ha! You want to be more like your brother, eh, Molly? Stay right here. I'll give your wheels far better suspension springs than Gecko. You'll see.
Almost done, Max. What's that?
That's bouncier than I expected.
Oh no! Molly's too bouncy. We've got to stop her. Quick, Red. The backup plan. Ready, Red? Now, Red. Use the backup plan. It's all right now, Molly. I know you just wanted to be like your big brother. Let's fix those springs, shall we? Go, Molly!
Gecko thinks he can make better springs than me,
Those new springs mean you'll land okay. So goodbye, Molly. You can go and play. Hello everyone, Gecko here. Today's a very special day. It's Baby Truck's first visit to our garage. So we want to give her an extra special Gecko's Garage welcome. Hello, Baby Truck. Are you nervous? It's okay. You're in safe hands. Right, Mechanicals? Ah! Huh? Oh. Baby Truck! Wait! Oh no! We frightened Baby Truck away! Don't worry, Mummy Truck. We'll find her. Quick, Mechanicals! We need to find Baby Truck. Poor Baby Truck. Where could she be? Huh? Are you hiding, Baby Truck? Is it because you're nervous? Guess what? Me too. It's your first time at the garage. We wanted to make your visit extra special. I'm sorry if we frightened you, but I promise we'll take extra special care of you. Is that okay? Garage doors, open at speed! It's time to help a vehicle in need. Have an amazing day, Baby Truck. You are so brave. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Thanks very much for joining us at Gecko's Garage today. Bye! Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. It's a quiet day today. We're just doing some spring cleaning. Ah! What on earth was that noise? Bobby the bus? You don't look well at all. Come on, let's take a look at you. Oh dear, Bobby's not well at all. Let's see if we can work out what's wrong. Maybe your radiator needs water. Go, Mechanicals! Ow! No, that's not it. Wait a minute. Oh. Aha! Poor Bobby has an oil leak. Oil keeps the engine running smoothly. We can fix that. We found the source of your gripe. There's an oil leak from your pipe. Green will make your hole shut tight by welding with sparks so bright. A plaster will keep your ouchie clean. Hooray! Well done, Blue. Well done, Green. Are you feeling better, Bobby? Another happy customer. That's it from us. See you next time at Gecko's Garage. Bye! Hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day. so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh look, it's the twins, Barry and Carrie. Oh, they look like they're having a lot of fun. Oh no! Barry's crashed! Quick, mechanicals! We need to help! Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue? Hey! Yay! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. Oh, I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Ah, it's so nice to have a holiday. I love camping. The fire's getting low. Yellow, could you grab some more firewood, please? Then it's time for a story. I think the storybook is in the caravan green. Thank you, Yep. Wait a moment. These are the wheel stops, which means... Quick! Catch that caravan! Hey! Oh! There must be a way to stop this! Phew! Thanks, Green! Spinning screwdrivers! Hooray! Nice work, Tilly! Oh, good job, everyone! Panic over! Yes, Green, it is story time now. See you next time. Bye! Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Gecko's Garage. We're just giving Bobby the bus his checkup. We're almost done. Wait! Mechanicals! I'm still up here! Bobby! Bobby! Oh dear, he can't hear me!
screwdrivers.
Oh, look! A high bridge! Great idea, Mechanicals! If I can just grab hold... Missed! Now what? Oh. Whoa! Good thinking, Yellow. You saved the day. It's okay, Bobby. You didn't know, and nobody got hurt. Thank you for all your help, Mechanicals. What would I do without you? Bye!
I don't feel so good. Oh dear, it's carried the busiest service today. Can you handle that, Mechanicals? Is everything okay? Huh? What was that noise? It's okay. I feel a bit better now. Huh?
Looks like the Mechanicals have it all under control. Great job, everyone!
Welcome back to Gecko's Garage, everyone. We've just been installing our emergency alert system. Huh? Someone must be in trouble.
Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck!
It's Eric, the excavator. I think he's hit a rock. Look, he's broken his caterpillar track. Oh, Blue. I know the storm is scary, but we need your help. Will you be brave for us? Oh, I can't reach. And I'm too big to fit through that gap. Huh? Oh dear, we need to be fast. I think that dam's going to overflow. Blue is small enough to fit under. Well done, Blue. You're being really brave. Oh no! The dam's going to collapse. Hurry, Blue. Oh, well done, Blue. You faced your fears. And look, a rainbow. It's Cheerio from Gecko. Bye! Come on, Green. Let's load all this rubbish into Tilly. Whoops. Sorry, Yellow. That old sofa needs to go to the rubbish dump. We can't keep it. It's the Truck family. Mummy Truck, Mama Recycle, and Baby Truck. Oh no! Poor Baby Truck. That was a hard landing. If only there was some way to make it soft. Huh? What's that, Mama? You have an idea? There you go, Baby Truck. You should land softly this time. You're welcome, Baby Truck. Aw, thanks, Mama Recycle. It's always good to make something new out of something old. Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby! What are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that. But we need to be quiet. Huh? Oh! Phew! That was a close one. No! Hit! Oh! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment. Hello everyone. We're giving Fiona Fire Truck a service. It's been a long day. Excuse me. Now, what's next, Mechanicals? Whoa! I think this is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mex? All done? Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly.